Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm M.S.Shanmuganayaki and in today's video we are diving into a powerful piece of legislation that protects women against domestic violence. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 and the kinds of order a magistrate can pass under this act. If you are a law student, an aspiring lawyer or simply someone who wants to understand their rights better, this video is for you. So let's get started. Domestic Violence Act was enacted in 2005 to provide civil remedies for victims of domestic abuse. Unlike Section 85 of BNS, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is a criminal in nature, this act offers protection, support and compensation through civil orders. And remember, this law, in addition to existing laws, that means an aggrieved women who can seek relief under both the Domestic Violence Act and the criminal provisions like Section 85 of BNS. Let's now look at different orders that the magistrate can pass under this act. The first one is counseling order. The magistrate may direct either the respondent or aggrieved person or even both to undergo counseling. This is aimed at resolving emotional and psychological issues arising from an abusive relationship. The second one is residence order. A very important relief, a woman cannot be evicted or excluded from the shared household. This ensures she has a secure place to live. And third, in camera proceedings. If a magistrate feels it's necessary, the proceedings can be held in a camera, which means privately to maintain dignity and protect the women from further trauma. And fourth, protection order. The magistrate can issue an order or a protection order prohibiting the respondent from committing any act of domestic violence or even contacting the aggrieved person. Fifth one is monetary relief. An aggrieved woman or her children, if any, can be awarded monetary relief. This includes medical expense, loss of earning, and even compensation for damage caused by the violence. And sixth one is custody order. Temporary custody of the children can be granted to the aggrieved women, ensuring safety and stability for the child. And seventh is compensation or damages. The magistrate can also award compensation for mental torture and emotional distress. This goes beyond physical harm. Emotional abuse is just as serious. And eighth one is breach of magistrate's order. Here's the important part. If any of the above orders are breached, it is an offense and punishable under the law. Then the next slide is about Domestic Incident Report, DIR. When a woman approaches a protection officer or a service provider, a domestic incident report or a DIR in Form 1 is prepared. This report is then submitted to the magistrate and a copy is given to the local police. If a woman wants, the protection officer can also assist her in filing applications for relief and the DIR become an essential annexure to support the application. Let's look at a few important judicial pronouncements that shape the interpretation of this act. Sureka Moat vs. State of Maharashtra from Bombay High Court. The court clarified that even if a protection officer are not appointed, a magistrate can still entertain a complaint. This ensures the justice is not delayed due to the administrative issues. The next case is Shalu Bansal case from Delhi. Here, the court directed the respondent to pay rent for the separate residence to the aggrieved women, a strong reminder that financial security is a part of safety. The Domestic Violence Act is more than just a law. It is a shield for women facing abuse in their own house. Through its wide range of civil remedies, it ensures safety, dignity, and also justice. If you or someone you know needs help, reach out to the legal aid clinic, NGO, or a protection officer. This law exists to protect and empower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is M.S.Shanmuganayaki signing off. Until next time, stay aware and stay empowered.